Have you ever tried to prove your heart to someone who's already made up their mind about you? This is the story of Meera and the wise old woman. A story that will remind you why true peace comes from valuing yourself first. Let's watch and listen. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Meera. She was kind and gentle, always trying to please others. But no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't make everyone happy. People often asked her questions about her life, and she felt pulled in different directions. Why aren't you married yet? Why didn't you choose a different career? Why do you like that hobby? Meera would try to explain herself, but no matter what she said, someone was always unhappy. She started to feel scared of people's opinions. She felt like she was walking on eggshells, always trying to avoid criticism. One day, Meera felt very stressed and upset. She didn't know what to do or who to talk to. So she decided to take a walk in a nearby park to calm her mind. As she sat on a bench, a wise old woman sat down beside her. "What's wrong, dear?" the woman asked. Meera shared everything in her heart. She told the woman how she always tried to make others happy, but nothing ever worked. The old woman listened quietly and nodded. "I see," the woman said. "You're trying to explain yourself to everyone. But the truth is, you don't need to explain yourself to anyone." Meera looked surprised. "But why not?" The woman replied softly. "People will always have opinions, whether you explain yourself or not. You cannot control what others think, but you can control how you think about yourself." She continued, "When you stop trying to explain yourself to others, you free yourself from their expectations. You can be yourself without apology. And that is the greatest freedom of all." Meera thought. For a moment, it made sense. She didn't need to justify her existence to anyone. She learned that not defending yourself doesn't make you weak. It means you've decided your peace matters more than being right in someone else's eyes. Because sometimes the only way to win an argument is to walk away from it. The old woman smiled. "Remember, Meera, you are not responsible for what others think. You are only responsible for being true to yourself. So, be brave, be kind, and always be yourself." Moral of the story: people see through their own lens. You don't need to explain yourself to others. You are free to be yourself without apology. Don't let others define your worth or dictate your path. Be brave, be kind, and always be true to yourself. When you stop trying to please everyone else, you'll find you're happier and more at peace. You'll be able to live your life with authenticity and integrity. And that is the greatest gift you can give yourself.